wireless charging. While the Mate 10 Pro has a big battery and fast charging, one thing it can't do is charge wirelessly, which many modern flagships, and even some mid-rangers, can, so we'd like Huawei to add the feature to the Mate 11 Pro. There's hope that the company might, as the Mate RS Porsche design has recently launched with wireless charging, so it's possible that the tech will trickle down to other Huawei phones soon. And new chipset. The P20 and P20 Pro are powerful phones overall, but they launched with last year's chipset, specifically the Kirin 970, which first appeared in the Huawei Mate 10 range. If Huawei uses the chip again in the Mate 11 Pro, we'll be really unimpressed. But this is one wish that we think will come true, as Huawei often sticks new chipsets in the Mate series, so we're expecting to see the Kirin 980, or whatever Huawei ends up calling it, in the Mate 11 Pro. A gradient finish. Huawei's new gradient finish is too good not to use on more phones. Huawei's new gradient finish is too good not to use on more phones. One of the more eye-catching features of the P20 and P20 Pro is the gradient finish that you get with certain shades of the phones. This essentially melds several different colors, with different ones visible depending on the lighting and what angle you look at the phone. It's a good look and one we'd like to see offered on the Huawei Mate 11 Pro.